Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever looked up a court case online and seen the status listed as disposed? It sounds a little strange, like the case was simply thrown in the trash. But in the American legal system, the word disposed has a very specific and important meaning. Put simply, when a case is disposed, it means it's over. The case is closed and has been removed from the court's active calendar, which is also known as the docket. A judge or court administrator has taken a final action that concludes the proceedings for that particular case. However, the word disposed by itself doesn't tell you the whole story. It doesn't tell you who won or lost, or how the case ended. It's just the final status. There are many different ways a case can be disposed of, and the specific type of disposition is what really matters. For instance, a case might be disposed of by a dismissal. A judge can dismiss a case for various legal reasons. Sometimes, the dismissal is without prejudice, which means the person who filed the lawsuit can fix the problem and file it again. Other times, it's dismissed with prejudice, which is final, the case is over for good and can never be brought back to court. Another very common way a case is disposed of is through a final judgment after a trial. In a criminal case, this would be the verdict of guilty or not guilty. In a civil case, it's the final decision where the judge or jury finds in favor of either the plaintiff or the defendant. Many civil cases are also disposed of through a settlement. This happens when the two parties reach an agreement on their own, avoiding a full trial. They present their settlement to the court, and the judge finalizes it, officially disposing of the case. In the criminal world, a huge number of cases are disposed of through a plea agreement. The defendant agrees to plead guilty, often to a lesser charge, in exchange for a more lenient sentence. Once the plea is accepted by the court, the case is concluded. So, the key thing to remember is that disposed is a neutral, administrative term. It just means the case has reached its conclusion. To understand the actual outcome, you need to look for more details in the court record, like a judgment, a dismissal order, or a settlement agreement. We hope this explanation helps demystify a common piece of legal jargon. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more simple explanations of legal topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel.